Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is September 27th, 2025, and here are our top stories. AI in Photoshop, AI browsers, AI robots, AI knowledge work. AI in Photoshop. Photoshop users now have exciting new options to enhance their creative work. The Seedream 4.0 and Gemini 2.5 Flash Image plugins, also known as Nano Banana, bring top-tier AI image models directly into Adobe Photoshop. These plugins offer realistic photo editing capabilities, allowing creators to seamlessly blend AI power with professional software. Besides, they provide access to multiple models like Flux Context Max, letting users pick the best tool for their project. Installing these plugins involves API keys from cloud providers, costing just 3 to 4 cents per image. Notably, Adobe has introduced native support for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image and Flux Context Pro, although Seedream 4.0 remains exclusive to the plugins. AI browsers. Modern browsers are rapidly integrating AI features, shaping the way we interact online. Google Chrome, Perplexity Comet, and Browser OS have each added AI capabilities, with varying approaches to user data. Firefox and Safari maintain a discreet, privacy-friendly stance, while Perplexity Comet openly seeks user data, enhancing its agent systems. Browser OS, on the other hand, employs local language models, offering a potentially viable alternative. Google plans to integrate its Gemini AI into Chrome, furthering agent capabilities. Perplexity's CEO, Aravind Srinivas, emphasized the company's focus on data collection outside its app, signaling a trend towards more comprehensive AI integration in browsers. AI robots. Google DeepMind has unveiled 2 new AI models, Gemini Robotics 1.5 and Gemini Robotics R 1.5, designed to enable robots to autonomously plan, understand, and execute complex tasks in the physical world. These models integrate multiple sensory perceptions, language processing, and motor actions with internal decision-making logic. Gemini Robotics ER 1.5 acts as an advanced brain planning tasks, utilizing digital tools like Google Search, communicating in natural language, and assessing the progress and success potential of its actions. It achieves state-of-the-art results in 15 benchmarks for embodied reasoning. Meanwhile, Gemini Robotics 1.5 translates these plans into concrete movements and can explain its decisions. Both models can generalize across various robot platforms and include a safety concept to ensure actions are secure before execution. AI knowledge work. OpenAI is diving headfirst into the world of real-world knowledge work with its innovative GDP-Val benchmark. This new evaluation framework tests AI models across 1,320 tasks from 44 professions, covering industries that each contribute over 5% to the U.S. GDP. These tasks were crafted by seasoned professionals with an average of 14 years' experience, spanning fields like engineering, healthcare, law, software development, and journalism. Unlike traditional AI benchmarks that rely solely on text prompts, GDP-Val incorporates additional materials and complex outcome formats. Initial results are impressive. Top models like GPT-5 and Claude Opus 4.1 performed at or above human levels in about half of the 220 tasks in the released Gold set, completing tasks approximately 100 times faster and cheaper than human experts in terms of pure inference time and API costs. GDP-Val aims to systematically capture the economic benefits of AI models and understand their impact on the labor market. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.